Well, today's practical planning tip by ParkBridge Wealth Management. My name is Jonathan Shenkman. I'm the President and Chief Investment Officer of the firm. Today, I'd like to start a new video series on discussing the important topic of managing black swan events in personal finance. So, the Torah is rich with stories and lessons, including in the area of personal finance. And one area that I think about from time to time is the story of Noah and the Great Flood, which was a once in a history event, but should serve as a reminder that large and devastating catastrophes do occur. In modern times, these type of rare, unpredictable occurrences are known as black swan events. Statistically, they're referred to as tail risk, which means an extreme, unexpected loss due to events that lie far outside normal expectations. Even though the probability of the exact same type of black swan occurring again is unlikely, there are various types of these catastrophic events that have occurred in the financial markets over the past few decades. Some of these include the oil embargo, the 1970s energy crisis, which caused a market sell off starting in October 1973, and its impact lasted well into 1974 of 48% of its value. The Black Monday on October 19th, 1987, the Dow Jones Industrial Average experienced its largest single day percentage decline in history, falling 22.6%. There's a dot-com bubble burst where in the late 1990s saw a massive influx of investment into the tech sector, and the Nasdaq lost a staggering 80% of its value from its peak in March 2000 to its trough in October 2002. There was the September 11th attacks on the World Trade Center and the Pentagon, which triggered a halt to the U.S. financial system and saw a market loss of over $1.4 trillion in value within a week. There was the global financial crisis. The 2008-2009 financial crisis was caused by the collapse of the U.S. housing market due to risky subprime mortgages. The S&P 500 lost nearly 50%, which wiped out more than $10 trillion in global stock value. The real estate market took years to recover. And most recently, the COVID-19 pandemic. In 2020, the COVID pandemic triggered unprecedented economic shutdowns around the world, causing the S&P 500 to fall over 30% from February to March in 2020, one of the fastest declines into a bear market in history. While these global market events are classic examples of black swans, individuals can also experience personal versions that are equally rare and disruptive to their finances. In my next video, I'll cover some examples of life-altering events that can impact your finances and what families can do about it. And with that, I hope you found this practical planning tip helpful. Until next time, stay prudent, practical, and don't forget to plan ahead.